Erica. You're making me look like a motherfucking statue. Nice and bronze, you heard?
Hey, I am Erika La Pearl. I am Cardi B's makeup artist, and this look right here is what I did on Cardi for her Grammys look. So stick around, and I'll show you everything step by step of how I created this look. I get inspired by either her outfit or her hair. And sometimes I don't even know what hair or outfit. I just do my thing. And it's, for some reason, it always comes together, you know?
Always.
Which is dope. She's not really picky at all. What I like about Cardi, she trusts me. Sometimes when I do her makeup, she'll be asleep. So I just be... just do my thing, and she wakes up. She's like, oh, so you did blue eyeshadow this time, huh?
It's 6 in the morning, doing glam.
Alright, so now it comes to the fun part. We're going to do eyes. So my little trick is an old trick in the book. I like to take some tape. I like to do a super snatch eye. For the eyes, it's a lot of pinks and browns. I used blush, and then from there, I work my way in with the purples. So this is Anastasia. I love this blush a lot. As you can tell, it's almost gone.
Yeah.
So I use this as a base. When I start doing the eyes, I like to be right in this area and then work my way in.
Okay.
So when I apply eyeshadow, I like to be very light-handed, and I like to do circular motions. And then when I get on top of your crease, I like to be very, very extra light. And I bring it up in this area. With Cardi, with her eyes, is very small. So that's why I like to elongate it. So I even go past her brows. I bring up here. I notice when I do have the eyeshadow drag out, it just makes her eyes bigger. I'm working with this palette right here. It's Revolution, the BB Bella palette. I like to use this color right here. So I'm gonna pack this area. And it's funny, I'm using the same brush. This brush is like my favorite brush to use. It's very fluffy. It grabs the products really good. Oh, it's Morphe. E17. Bam.
I know you said that Cardi sometimes asleep in the chair, but it seems like you guys would
No, not
have
sleep in a
so
chair.
much. Really?
She sleep in bed.
Oh, she sleep in bed when she gets her makeup done?
Yes.
Wow.
So I have to like climb in bed with her. Cause I like, you know, I want her to get rest because she's so booked and busy. She'd be knocked out, mouth open and all.
Oh my
So it's just funny to me though.
I'm so sleepy, yo. This is crazy.
That look that the girl in the picture had dark eyes, and Cardi don't like dark eyes. So I have to, and all she like is colors. So pinks is like, to me, is like a safe, and I love the way how it looks on her skin tone. So that's why I really wanted to do that color. You see what I'm saying about the tape? It just keeps everything in place. So this is Pat McGrath. I'm gonna intensify this area. So I'm gonna just go with this color right here and mix it with this one. And then just go right here in this area. One time, but she actually went to Sephora because she's been watching me with my products. Like she actually went to Sephora and bought the same thing, and she actually did her own face, and I was like surprised. What? And I asked her, like, did you do it, or did someone do it? Say, no, I did it myself. So she could do a little something. I met with Pat McGrath like a couple months ago. She showed me a cool way to use these shadows, the last 4 colors. So she told me to get like a liquid, dab my brush, and dab where I scraped, get all that product.
Oh man.
You see? And then just tap away. And it makes it so like extra pigmented, you know? And then sometimes I take the dry part of the eyeshadow and just go over it to really make it pop. So now we're gonna do the eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner in the world, and it's just only like probably like $5. It's called Rimmel. You get it from the drugstore. I don't like using anything else but this. It doesn't smudge. It stays put. It's so hard to come off. Like, I really want her eyeliner to really be elongated. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Oh, Cardi. All right, so for the eyeliner part, I do the glitters because I wanted her eyes to pop. All right, so then I take the other tape off. So when I do foundation, I like to pat it down. So this right here, I call this process the Atlanta beat because everyone that's from there, this is how we do makeup. So I'll take this right here. I like to go over it just to give it that lift. Smell it. Yeah. just blend it out, and then I take this part of the sponge and just buff it out, blending up. Cardi's makeup hasn't changed since Culture. The only thing I say, when I first began working with her, we did do more neutral colors, but now we've been going over the top because she is Lady Gaga of rap. So here's a snatch nose. So I like to start from under the brows and work my way in. Same thing. Even though your nose don't need it, but just
Let's show the people.
show the people, honey. Cause a lot of people love that snatch nose. And then I like to take this setting powder from RCMA, and then I take
bake?
yes. This powder is so amazing, guys. It works with all skin tones. I like to take a dark tan from MAC. So this is my contour color I like to use this contour color. And I like to just buff it out. I love doing the highlighter part. So I like to take the gold part. I like to still apply it up here. And then I'm gonna work my way in. Cardi's my only client right now because, you know, she keeps me booked and busy. I get so many big name people follow me and they want to work with me, but it's like Cardi comes first. She's so loyal to me, you know? And then I take a little bit of this highlighter. And I like to take the glow and then just apply it in this area. But I like to stack a lot of that highlighter just so it can really pop. So I like to take a sparkly liner, and I went right in this area just to get a little pop. Last touches. So bam, this is it. So I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. Follow me on Instagram, Erika_La Pearl_MUA. Love you guys.